Asfibe 100 is the Guardia Civil's new offshore patrol vessel for maritime service. The vessel has been specifically designed for appointed functions which are mainly the prosecution of drug trafficking and migration control. The patrol vessel, with a 30-metre LOA, has been built in the Asfibe shipyard in Benicarlo, where all the aspects of the building project, from the design to the delivery of the vessel, have been developed. The Guardia Civil's new patrol vessel has improved substantially from those appointed with the same functions before. These changes have been possible thanks to an in-depth analysis of the navigation, autonomy, and accommodation characteristics expected from a patrol and surveillance vessel. The ship incorporates innovative solutions to increase significantly its capacities to face the demands of the maritime service. Times change, and so does the legislation, the objectives of surveillance, and the sphere of action of the security forces. The offshore patrol vessel Asfibe 100 has been designed to answer all these new requirements. The Asfibe shipyard has an ample infrastructure able to adapt to any of its clients' demands. Regarding the offshore patrol vessel Asfibe 100, it was essential to combine its navigation capacities on long-distance crossings along with excellent conditions of accommodation. The vessel's design integrates speed and efficiency performances with commodity and security in rough seas. To achieve these characteristics, the shipyard has used the most modern techniques of design and production. Technology and materials usually applied in the engineering of competition vessels have also been employed in the building of the patrol. Let's look now at some details of the construction of the hull. The reinforcement fibres incorporate multi-axials, which are hybrids of aramid fibre and E-glass, as well as one-way bands made of carbon fibre in the inner reinforcement. These help to make the most of the properties of each material in each structural element. The composition of the resins, which combines epoxide and vinyl ester, allows for a higher resistance than the traditional polyester resins. In the building of the vessel, the most advanced techniques of infusion have been used. The material of the core is based on styrene polymer foams, as they behave better to impact and dynamic load than the more traditional cores. The propulsion is achieved by two lines of axis and high-performance shafts and propellers. This allows for better speed and consumption, and so the system behaves better in rough seas. There is a high-speed boat for intervention and rescue missions.
Hey girl, what's up? Girl, no.
For the launching and pickup of the auxiliary boat, there is a dry dock slope in the stern for stowage. The mechanism for launching and pickup works through hydraulics and has been specifically designed for the vessel's services. Another solution applied to the design of the patrol vessel is a deck in the stern with a rescue area. This area includes two reclining docks for maritime salvage. Its height over the waterline is no more than 50 centimeters to make rescuing easier. This system is thought to help in the task of controlling migration. vessel has a capacity for 8 passengers with extra space for 2 more. And so, the patrol boat has cabins for 10 people. Comfort has also been taken into account during the design of the accommodation characteristics. The maritime baptism of the Asfibe 100 is a step forward in the services required by an offshore vessel dedicated to surveillance and patrol. It is a bigger boat designed to navigate long distances and adapt to the demands of the 21st century. It is a clear bet for functionality, operating capacity, and efficiency. All of this without sacrificing good accommodation conditions expected from passengers of a service vessel in high seas. The development of this boat is an answer to these needs. Each and all of the characteristics of the patrol vessel is an answer to the demands of the services and its tasks. The vessel is the result of an in-depth conceptual analysis based on the client's demands. The building process has been possible due to the shipyard's modern technology as well as its capacity and flexibility to face these new requirements.